Paul Petrosky, co-founder of Growth Ledger Solutions and Growth Ledger Academy. In this video, I want to take you through our Change Order Leakage Calculator, also known as the Can You Just Cost Calculator. This is a plug-and-play tool designed specifically for construction, plumbing, HVAC, and electrical business owners. It's built to expose exactly how much cash you are losing every time a customer asks, hey, while you're here, can you just do X? And your technicians perform undocumented favors. This tool will give you the insights you need to understand how small 20-minute freebies compound into massive financial leaks, giving you the hard data you need to enforce a right field-to-office change order process. So let's jump in. The calculator is built around the exact math of undocumented work. Here's a step-by-step how-to use it. Step 1, set your business settings. Start at the top by entering your baseline economics. Input your true cost per billable hour, your standard billing rate, and your typical material markup percentage. Then enter the number of field technicians you have, the work days per year, and your estimated liability risk per undocumented job. Consider this. These baseline numbers are critical because they define the actual value of billable labor and inventory your team is giving away. Step 2, enter your can you just scenarios. This is where you map out real-world field requests. Add scenarios that happen constantly, like moving an outlet or switch, hooking up an extra valve, extra diagnostics, or running an extra pipe extension. For each scenario, input the time it takes in minutes, the cost of materials used, how many techs are typically doing it, and the frequency, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. The tool will instantly calculate the annual labor dollars and revenue lost from each specific scenario. Step 3, review the annual compound math. Next, shift your attention to the annual compound math section. The dark walkthrough panel shows you the exact multiplication chain of your leakage. You will see how undocumented minutes per day across your techs compound into unbilled hours per day, then into total hours given away per year, and finally into the hard payroll cost of that free work. Step 4, analyze the total leak and live ticker. Just below that math is your total leak breakdown. The calculator aggregates your hard labor cost, the revenue you never invoiced, and the materials written off to show you your total annual can you just leak. To make this visceral rather than abstract, we included a live ticker below it. This breaks down your extra financial leak by the hour, every single workday, every week, and every month. Step 5, determine your revenue opportunity. Finally, look at the bottom section to see what happens when you actually build a process to capture this work. The tool shows you exactly how much pure profit you would add back to your bottom line if you captured 50, 75, or 100% of this undocumented work. It also calculates the massive liability exposure you avoid by legally tying this work to a contract. Stop working for free and taking on extra risk. You must build a culture where your teams understand that every single minute has a dollar associated with it. By implementing a change order SOP so that your teams understand that every ask has to be documented and tied back to a contract will help you minimize the amount of leakage that you have for change orders when customers just say, can you just?